Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a neat little drill you can do for your shoulders and your back. And what we're going to do is we are going to use the shoulder wheel or the lat wheel. I know you probably think this is the ab wheel, but you can do a lot of really cool things with the wheel, especially if you have a nice wall. All right, so a moment of safety though. It is very important for gentlemen, do not do this in your home, on your wife's walls or your mother's walls. Safety first, preserve your life. You should always be thinking about survival and not getting in trouble. So make sure the wall you do this on is a safe wall that no one's going to be upset about, like this nice brick wall here. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to take the ab wheel, we're going to hold it straight out from ourselves, place it up against the wall, and we're just going to lean into it and open up the shoulders. And we're just going to hang out and breathe. And this feels amazing. And if you focus on your scapula, and by focus I mean like if you put your attention there and like try to feel what's happening there, it just feels amazing. This is a great way to build stability in your scapula, but also open up your chest and your shoulders and gain some flexibility in your shoulders. Now that's one thing we can do. Another thing we can do is start to deviate. And this is a great way to stretch the lats. So if I want to stretch my left lat, I veer off to the right. Oh my goodness, that feels great. If I want to stretch my right lat, I veer off to the left. And we can also be crazy and go to the side. Oh my goodness, guys. This is one of those, you got to feel it to believe it. But if you feel it, you'll be like, oh, thank you so much. Anyway, you can use what you might think of as the ab wheel and what I might think of as the lat wheel or the shoulder wheel or just the feel-good wheel. So these things don't always have to be torturous. Like how many of you have ever done the ab wheel and 3 days later you still remember that and know that you've done the ab wheel? But if you do this, the payoff is immediate, it feels amazing, and you're just gonna feel good. Like there's just this aliveness to your back. Anyway, remember, safe wall, safe wall. Don't do this on a white painted wall in your house. Do not. Love yourself, protect yourself. Love your wife and your mother. Anyway, guys, that is the tip this week. It's amazing to open up the shoulders. It feels great. It's a good way to stabilize the scapula. Great way to lengthen and stretch out and release tight lats, especially if you lean into it and you just breathe. Give it a shot. I don't think you'll be disappointed. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.